Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.